In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new person to a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating with a new team member or simply expanding your group chat for a project, this process is straightforward and incredibly effective in keeping everyone connected. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to make sure your whole team is on the same page. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can use a desktop application or the web version, both work just fine. Once you've opened Teams, look to the left side of your screen and locate the chat icon. Click on this, and you'll see a list of all your recent chats displayed in the main window. This is where you can manage your ongoing conversations. Now, you'll want to select the group chat to which you intend to add someone new. Make sure you choose the correct chat, as adding someone to the wrong group can be a bit confusing, not to mention potentially awkward. As you click on the chat, it will open up, displaying the conversation history on the right side of the screen. This is a good time to review the conversation to ensure it's the right thread. At the top of this chat window, you'll notice an icon that looks like a pencil with a note. Clicking this will allow you to modify the chat. You may also see a list of participants with a small silhouette and a plus sign. Click on this icon to proceed with adding new people. Once you've clicked the plus icon, a new window will pop up. In this window, you'll see a text box where you can type in the name or email address of the person you wish to add. As you start typing, Teams will automatically provide suggestions based on your organization's directory and your past interactions. This makes it a lot easier than manually typing full names or addresses. Select the correct person from the suggestions, and you'll see their name appear in the adding list below the text box. It's important to note that any new members added to the chat will only be able to view messages sent after they're added. They won't have access to the conversation history prior to their joining, so be sure to summarize past discussions if necessary. Finally, click the Add button to officially include this new participant in your group chat. You should see their name appear in the participants list, confirming that they've been successfully added. At this point, it's good practice to send a quick message in the chat, welcoming them and perhaps providing a brief update on current topics of discussion. And that's it. You've successfully added a new person to your team's chat. Remember, communication is key to successful teamwork, and by including everyone, you're ensuring that everyone stays informed and engaged. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on using Microsoft Teams.